hosting our 15th annual Frontier Army Days School Days. So we'll have about 1,200 kids from area schools that come spend time with historical reenactors at different stations. We have artillery, infantry, laundresses, Buffalo Soldiers, U.S. Marshals, Native Americans, and chaplains.
I've learned what they use to clean up cloths and stuff. And I also learned about teepees over there. And next, I'm gonna learn about doing something over there.
This is really a great opportunity for kids to take what they've learned in the classroom and see it come to life. They get to see objects that were used by people that they've been learning about. They get to touch them. And so it really gives them the opportunity to have that hands-on history. This is something that's going to stay with them for years to come. You can read it in a book, but seeing it and touching it, it's going to probably stick with them for the rest of their lives.
What's been your favorite part?
The cannon, probably.
Why is that?
Because I just like really loud things.
I liked when we went in the kitchen. It was pretty cool.
Tell me about why it was cool.
So I just liked the way it looked, and it was very detailed.
What's been your favorite part about today?
Cleaning the cloth.
You know, you really see them make that connection of what they learned in the classroom, and they have those aha moments, and it's just wonderful to see them light up with that realization of putting those connections together.